In my last video, I showed you how I processed the most expensive slab I ever bought. And if you saw that, you might remember that I cut a few feet off of the end of the slab. This is so I have enough material to make the custom legs for the desk I'm building. Anytime I do a project like this, I try not to make anything that I've ever seen before. To do this on these legs, I had to make this table saw jig. I think all of these angles are about 10 degrees apart from each other, but to be honest, I'm not 100% sure. Once I had everything cut, I could attach the top plate to the legs so that I can use that as a reference and cut the other side on the table saw. In retrospect, I should have made a jig for this step as well, but it worked. These legs are made out of a combination of my home-milled walnut and the monkey pod wood. Once the walnut pieces were glued together, I could give the top of the foot a ½ inch round over. All of the other edges just got eased over with some sandpaper. Just like the top of the desk, I used Rubio Monocoat Pure on all of the leg parts. I'm really happy with the way these turned out, and that subtle contrast between the walnut and the monkey pod is really cool, but my favorite part of these legs is how contrasting the monkey pod pieces are from one side to the other. There is so much variation between the different sections of this monkey pod slab that it almost looks like different species of wood. Personally, I see that as a feature, not a bug, but let me know what you think.